Science 9th Standard Unit 18 Organization of Tissues. In the previous part, we learned about meristematic tissues. Meristematic tissues divide continuously. The permanent tissues stop dividing temporarily or permanently. They do not show the property of active cell division. In this part, we are going to learn about permanent tissues. Permanent tissues stop dividing. There are two types of permanent tissues. The first one is simple permanent tissues. Simple means one. Simple permanent tissues are made up of only one type of cells. The second one is compound permanent tissues. Compound permanent tissues are made up of more than one type of cells. A simple permanent tissue is made up of homogeneous cells. Simple tissues are homogeneous tissues. That means they are made up of similar types of cells. Simple tissues are made up of cells. They are structurally similar. Structure is same and function is same. The cells of simple tissues have same structure and same function. Parenchyma is a simple permanent tissue. Collenchyma and sclerenchyma are also simple permanent tissues. First, let us see the parenchyma. Parenchyma is found in all parts of the plant. It is a living tissue. Parenchyma is made up of living cells. The cells are thin-walled. The cell wall is very thin. Parenchyma is composed of living cells with thin cell walls. The shape of the parenchyma cells may be oval, rounded, polygonal. The shapes of parenchyma are oval, rounded or polygonal. Parenchyma is made up of thin-walled cells. Parenchyma is made up of living cells. See, look at this diagram. Here we can find lot of cells. The cells have space in between them. Parenchyma cells have well-developed spaces among them. This is also a type of parenchyma. Here, in between cells, there is large air space. There are number of air spaces. This type of parenchyma are found in aquatic plants. This type of parenchyma with lot of air spaces are called as aerenchyma. In aquatic plants, parenchyma possesses intercellular air space. What is intercellular air space? Air space in between the cells is intercellular air space. And this type of parenchyma is named as aerenchyma. Aerenchyma is found in aquatic plants. Here what we see is chlorenchyma. When the parenchyma cells are filled with chloroplasts, they are called as chlorenchyma. The chlorenchyma involves in photosynthesis. Parenchyma cells containing chloroplast are known as chlorenchyma. Some parenchyma cells store food material. Such parenchyma cells are called as storage parenchyma. In potato, parenchyma vacuoles, the vacuoles inside the parenchyma are filled with starch. In apple, parenchyma stores sugar. Storage parenchyma is a parenchyma. It involves in storage of food substances. Collenchyma is also a living tissue. It is found below the epidermis. In a plant body, collenchyma is found below the epidermis. Epidermis is the outermost covering of plant body. It is generally made up of single layers. The single layer outer part is epidermis. Below the epidermis, collenchyma is present. Collenchyma is a living tissue. It is found below the epidermis. What is epidermis? Outermost covering of plant body. Collenchyma tissue is made up of elongated cells. The cells of collenchyma are elongated. They are long. Elongated cells form collenchyma. Collenchyma tissue provides mechanical support for growing organs. Mechanical support means strength. Young parts receive strength from collenchyma. Collenchyma is a mechanical tissue. It is called as mechanical tissue. Sclerenchyma is also a mechanical tissue. It gives support to the plant. Sclerenchyma is made up of dead cells because they are thick-walled. The cell wall is very thick and the cytoplasm is very small or absent. So, sclerenchyma tissue is made up of thick-walled cells. The cells have lignified secondary wall. Parenchyma cells have primary wall. Sclerenchyma cells have primary wall and additionally secondary wall is also present. The secondary wall is made up of lignin. Secondary wall of sclerenchyma is made up of lignin. The sclerenchyma cells have lignified secondary wall. The mature cells are dead cells. In mature sclerenchyma, the secondary wall is highly thickened. Cytoplasm is absent, so they are dead cells. There are two types of sclerenchyma: sclerites and fibers. Fibers are long sclerenchyma. Sclerites are not long. Sclerites are generally isodiametrical, same diameter. They have very thick secondary wall and small central space. They are dead cells. Fibers are long cells. In fiber yielding plants, the fibers are very important. Sclerites are found in fruits and seeds.